Hi, this is Tuner Boy 569, and today I would just like to talk about the Humorex Glock 17 Gen 4 and also an attachment I have. It's called, I believe, the SAS A5KU, I believe. Uh, you can find it on evike.com, and really I wanted to talk about it because a lot of people have a lot of videos talking around a similar product, but not this exact product. Everything I looked for was either in Japanese or another language. So pretty much I wanted to talk about this attachment piece. And another thing I wanted to talk about was a mag pull that I also got. So with this Glock 17, which is actually licensed by Glock, you have a similar comparison to a Glock in a certain reliability like a Glock. I mean, I'm a Glock fanboy, I'm not gonna lie. But this attachment right here. So this attachment, it fit on quite nicely. I mean, it had a little bit of adjustment that I had to do. I had to really jam it on there to get the screw to get through, but I could recommend it. It's a pretty cool attachment. It comes with the silencer attachment, but I took the threaded barrel out, which is another thing that I like to tell people is you can also take out the threaded barrel so you can have the flush look as it is, or you could have the threaded barrel, which is a -14 thread that you could put a suppressor on or something, give it a little bit of detail to it. And but overall, on this specific Glock, which I haven't seen a lot of videos talking about this one. I've seen, Glock, Tokyo Marui, WeTech, but not Humorex, which I'd highly recommend. This is a great gun. But it's got that attachment. But one thing I was disappointed with was the magwell. The only reason I was disappointed is because for some reason on these specific Glocks, it will not sit right. So, I've seen plenty of videos where they talk about when you put it on there, you're supposed to, connect it to the front and then apply pressure to the rear. Now, when I go to do it with this, the frame does not let, or the lower receiver, I could say. I'm not sure. Excuse me, but it does not sit on there to the point that it's snug like it says in the videos, unfortunately, which was a little disappointing to me because I was really excited to put it on there, but it does not sit well, and getting to the hole in which you're supposed to screw it into, it doesn't reach all the way up there so that you can properly insert the screw, and it won't sit on there so that you can properly have it seated on the gun in order to, siphon the magazine. But other than that, it's great for any other Glock, WeTech, Tokyo Marui. This is the packaging you'll get also. Comes with a nice box, telling what it is and everything. Looks great. And but yeah, mainly I wanted to talk about this attachment piece because this honestly it makes it looks way better. They really did a really fine job making this exact attachment, and you know it's I believe like $30 on Evike. The Magpul was 25. So overall I spent about like $60. But packaging, this really didn't come with a packaging. It was more of a aluminum kind of looking envelope that you got, and was inside. But this product I highly recommend. It's definitely something that, if you want to make your gun stand out a little bit more, have a little bit more length, definitely something I'd recommend. Now, the thing about this though is I would recommend only for 17, something with a longer rail. because if you try to put this on a 19, it does not fit the distance to get to where the screw is, because the screw is all the way up here, and putting it on there, you know, it won't sit right. But I mean, it sits quite well. I think so. I think it's a really great product, and you know, if you're interested in making your Glock look a little bit better, you know, have a little bit more of a standing out Glock, I would definitely recommend this. Like I said, you can get it off Evike. I believe Lay or something. I can't remember the name, but they create a little bit higher quality of this. I do not own one, but you know, I've done a little research looking at it, and you know, that's eventually something I want to pick up, and also I want to pick up with the striker face on it. But this one in particular for $30, absolutely gorgeous. Something I would really recommend getting. And another YouTuber, I can't remember his name right now, but he was a real big help because he had the striker face on his, and you know, that was what kind of encouraged me to get this one for the Humorex, because he had also put it on a Humorex. And honestly, if I could say so, I would definitely pick one up if you are looking to give it that little bit of flair. But like I said, my name's Tunerboard569 or Moto Heathen, and if you know, you're looking for something, I would definitely get it. And you know, $30, you can't beat it. But that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, make sure to comment if you have any questions. Thank you.